The air crackles with energy, a palpable buzz that seems to electrify the very atmosphere. The scent of spices hangs heavy, a fragrant embrace that wraps around you, drawing you deeper into the market's labyrinth. Vivid colors assault the eyes: crimson chilies, emerald herbs, mounds of saffron yellow turmeric. Each stall is a painter's palette, a riot of hues that dazzle and delight. This is no ordinary grocery store. This is a sensory playground, a place where every corner turned reveals a new wonder. This is a food market, a living, breathing testament to a culture's love affair with food. Here, food is not just sustenance, it is a celebration, a way of life. From the bustling night markets of Southeast Asia, where the air is thick with the aroma of grilled meats and exotic fruits, to the covered bazaars of the Middle East, where spices and sweets beckon from every corner, food markets offer a sensory overload. They are places where life unfolds at a different pace, where the hustle and bustle of daily life slows down, allowing for moments of connection and discovery. Vendors hawk their wares with theatrical flair, their voices rising above the din, each one a performer in this grand marketplace theater. Locals bargain for the freshest produce, their practiced haggling a dance as old as the market itself. It's a ritual, a way of life that has been passed down through generations. Tourists gawk at the sheer variety, cameras clicking away, trying to capture the essence of this vibrant, chaotic world. They are drawn to the market's energy, its authenticity. It's a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells, a chaotic yet strangely harmonious blend of commerce and community. The clatter of pots, the sizzle of frying food, the chatter of voices, all combine to create a unique melody. This is where you'll find the true heart and soul of a destination. In these markets, you can taste the history, feel the culture, and experience the very essence of a place. It's a feast for the senses, an unforgettable journey into the heart of a community. Don't forget to subscribe to the Globebit YouTube channel for more incredible journeys into the world's most unique food markets. Food markets are more than just places to buy groceries. They are the beating heart of communities, where the essence of local life is on full display. They are vibrant hubs of social interaction, where gossip is exchanged alongside recipes. Here, friendships are forged over shared culinary secrets and neighbors catch up on each other's lives. Generations gather to shop, sharing stories and laughter amidst the vibrant displays of produce. It's a place where grandparents pass down family traditions to the younger generation, ensuring that cultural heritage is preserved. These markets play a vital role in the local economy, supporting farmers, fishermen, and artisans. Each stall tells a story of hard work and dedication, of early mornings and long days spent cultivating the best products. They provide a platform for small businesses to thrive, fostering a sense of community and entrepreneurship. Here, dreams are realized and local talent is showcased, creating a vibrant tapestry of innovation and tradition. The money spent here stays within the community, ensuring its continued growth and prosperity. Every transaction is a step towards a more self-sustaining and resilient local economy. Food markets are the lifeblood of countless communities worldwide. They are a universal language transcending borders and bringing people together in a shared love for food and culture. They are places where culture is preserved, traditions are honored, and the simple act of sharing a meal takes on a deeper significance. Festivals and cultural performances often find their stage here, adding to the rich tapestry of market life.
Every day we see families coming together, sharing stories and passing down traditions. It's a living, breathing testament to the enduring power of community and the bonds that tie us together. It's more than just business. It's about keeping our culture alive and thriving. In every smile, every exchange, and every shared meal, the spirit of the community is celebrated and cherished.
Food markets come in all shapes and sizes. There are sprawling, open-air markets like the Chatuchak Weekend Market in Bangkok, a labyrinthine maze of over 15,000 stalls selling everything from sizzling street food to handcrafted souvenirs. Then there are the covered markets like the Mercado de San Miguel in Madrid, a wrought-iron architectural marvel housing a smorgasbord of Spanish delicacies. Here you can sample Iberian ham carved right before your eyes, savor fresh oysters, and sip on crisp Albarino wine.
Some markets cater to the everyday shopper, while others are destinations in themselves, attracting food enthusiasts and Michelin-starred chefs in search of the finest ingredients. Whether you're on a shoestring budget or looking to splurge, there's a food market out there waiting to be explored.
Each food market has its own unique personality and rhythm, a living, breathing entity that reflects the culture and traditions of its people. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the serene markets of Provence, every corner of the globe offers a unique culinary experience. In the labyrinthine alleys of Marrakech's Jama el Fna, the air is thick with the scent of spices and the sound of sizzling meats. Storytellers weave tales as captivating as the aromas emanating from the food stalls, drawing crowds with their enchanting narratives. Here, you can feast on steaming bowls of tagine, a traditional Moroccan dish that combines tender meats with a medley of spices and vegetables. The rich aroma of slow-cooked meats mingles with the sweet scent of spices, creating an olfactory experience that is as memorable as the taste itself. In Tokyo's Tsukiji Fish Market, the energy is palpable. The market is a hive of activity, with vendors calling out to potential buyers and the sound of fish being sliced and prepared filling the air. Witness the frenetic energy of the tuna auction, where massive fish are sold at lightning speed to the highest bidder. The auction is a spectacle in itself, a dance of commerce that is both chaotic and mesmerizing. Afterwards, indulge in the freshest sushi and sashimi you'll ever taste, prepared right before your eyes by skilled chefs who have honed their craft over years of practice.
Every market has a story to tell, a history etched into its cobblestone streets and whispered in the banter between vendors and customers. These markets are more than just places to buy food, they are the heart and soul of their communities. The interactions between vendors and customers are a dance of familiarity and tradition, a testament to the enduring human connection that food fosters. To truly experience a place, you must first taste its soul in its food markets. These vibrant hubs of activity offer a window into the daily lives of the people, their customs and their culinary heritage. So next time you travel, make sure to visit the local food market and immerse yourself in the tapestry of tastes and tales it has to offer.
Food markets are a treasure trove of culinary adventures, offering a glimpse into the diverse flavors and ingredients that define a culture's cuisine. In the floating markets of Thailand, you'll find boats laden with exotic fruits like durian, mangosteen, and rambutan. In the spice markets of Istanbul, the air is thick with the intoxicating scents of cumin, saffron, and sumac. These ancient spices have been traded here for centuries, adding depth and complexity to countless dishes.
Food markets are where you can sample dishes passed down through generations, recipes that have stood the test of time. It's a chance to expand your palate, discover new favorites, and gain a deeper appreciation for the art of cooking.
In an era of globalization and mass production, food markets play a vital role in preserving culinary heritage. They are guardians of traditional recipes and cooking techniques, ensuring that age-old culinary traditions are passed down to future generations. By supporting local farmers and producers, food markets help to maintain biodiversity and prevent the homogenization of food. They are a reminder that food is more than just sustenance. It's a celebration of culture, history, and community.
When you buy from a local food market, you're not just getting a meal, you're investing in a way of life. You're helping to keep traditions alive and supporting a sustainable food system.
Navigating a foreign food market can be daunting, but it's an adventure worth embarking on. Don't be afraid to dive in headfirst. Follow your nose, let your curiosity guide you, and don't be afraid to try something new. Engage with the vendors, ask questions, and embrace the art of haggling. A smile and a few words in the local language can go a long way. Come hungry, come curious, and be prepared to be amazed by the sheer variety and quality of food on offer.
Remember to bring cash, as many vendors don't accept credit cards. And don't forget to bring your appetite. Voiceover, Gap 3S. Beyond the tantalizing flavors, food markets offer a window into the country's soul. Each dish tells a story of its people, their traditions, and their way of life. From the vibrant festivals to the daily rituals, every aspect of the culture is woven into the fabric of the cuisine. The bustling markets reflect the economy, showcasing local produce, artisanal crafts, and the entrepreneurial spirit. Here, food is not sustenance, but a celebration of heritage, a means of connection, and a testament to the resilience and creativity of the people. Embrace the culture, savor the flavors, and let the journey enrich your soul. Food markets are a feast for the senses, a celebration of culture, and a testament to the power of food to bring people together. They offer a glimpse into the heart and soul of a destination, a chance to connect with locals, and a culinary adventure unlike any other. So the next time you travel, skip the hotel buffet and venture out into the unknown. Explore the local food markets, embrace the chaos and discover the world, one delicious bite at a time. The world is your oyster, or your durian, or your tagine, or your... well, you get the idea. Get out there and explore. And don't forget to subscribe to the Globe Bit YouTube channel for more exciting food adventures. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos.